All right, we continue with the fundamentals of precalculus. That is, we are building up to what we will use to be able to recognize these patterns in advanced mathematics, physics, and whatever, chemistry, or all those. So scientific notation, this is one of the most important things that we really need to understand. So this you use when you've got a very large number or a very small number that you can't easily read, okay? So you can reduce that into a decimal, a combination of a decimal number between 0 and 10, and then you simply give it a power of 10, okay? So those combination can reduce any number into a readable format. For example, if I've got 100,000, okay, I've got 100,000. What can I do with that? I can reduce it into a 1, and then I give 10 power of 5. The combination of those represents 100. So if it's going towards my right, it's positive. If it's going towards my left, it's going to be negative. Okay, so the general format of scientific notation, and we need to understand this, is that you need to have x, for example, is equal to a times 10 power n. But then we have to be very careful with a. A can only be between 0 and 10. Okay, it has to be greater than 1, but less than 10, so to say. Okay, very, very important. Now, I can give examples. For example, I've got this number, this large number. I think it's 1,000,000 plus. And then how do we reduce it? We reduce it into that format that way. Okay, so we just count the number of decimal places, and then those we factor in when we use as powers of 10. So notice if it's very small, it bears a negative. If it's a large number, it bears a positive as a power. Okay, so let's look at an example. Okay, so we are trying to find this fraction, AB over C. So we have A is equal to 4 times 6 times 10 power 4. Okay, then we have B. Okay, B, we have B, it's 1.697 times 10 power 22. Okay, then we have C is equal to C is equal to 2.91 times 10 power negative 18. Okay, let's notice the so this is the formula, this expression. Okay, so AB over C. So we take A, put it where A is. We take B, replace B in the equation with the 1.697 times 1022. Then we put C is equal to 2.91 times 10 power 18 minus 18. Okay, so now what do we do here? We see the patterns. The patterns is that we've got 3 decimal numbers, okay? 4.6, 1.697, and then we have 2.91. So these we're going to separate from the rest of the numbers. The rest have got identical base, which is 10. So we can simply use our laws to put these together. So if they're multiplying, we add their powers. If there's division, we subtract. So notice minus 18, we're subtracting minus 18. So in short, minus minus, we say that this is addition previously, okay? So here we have that group there gives us 2.7. And then the group, the exponents of 10, they give us, or the powers of 10, they give us that total there, which is 18 plus 18, or 40 minus 4. Depends on how you see that pattern there. Okay, so this is 10 power 36. So you see that this number now If I were to multiply these numbers in their original form, it will be very difficult, but just because they are in scientific format, they are easier. All right, thank you for watching, and good day.